Hello everyone! Today is all about the mountains and the glaciers. Good morning everyone. It is around 7:30 and we just went for a coffee run at the Dark Horse. Then came back here at the hotel to have some breakfast. Leftover pizza from last night. It's kind of dreary today. Actually, it's supposed to be raining, full on rain all through this morning and maybe till mid-afternoon. And then today we are going to hike a glacier. The activity is through, what's the activity? Or where is it from, the company?
Great Lens.
The company that we are touring with or going to join a group hike with is called Greatland Adventures. It's a full 8-hour day, but I think the first part of the day we're just aside from the drive, we'll be stopping at photo ops along the way, and then it's a 2-hour hike round trip at the glaciers. So pretty excited about that. Because it is raining, I'm not sure if I can drone. I was really excited to drone, but that may not happen. But I'm sure there's plenty of photo and video opportunities this day. First impressions of Anchorage. Wide streets. We are staying at the Anchorage Grand Hotel, and I chose this hotel not only for the cost but for the location. It's pretty centrally located, but because of the wide long blocks that they have here, it was accidentally pleasant that we rented a car for our entire stay, because really if you want to make a quick coffee run, not so quick. So it's great. It's good that we did get a car. The Matanuska Glacier is a spectacular sight between the cities of Palmer and Glen Allen, and was chosen by Alaska Magazine as number 2 of 49 places to go in the 49th state. It originates from within the Chugach mountain range of south central Alaska and is visible from the Glen Highway National Scenic Byway. The Matanuska Glacier is one of Alaska's oldest glaciers. It looms 13,000 feet high over the Glen Highway, is 27 miles long, stretches 4 miles across, and is easily seen at mile 101 Glen Highway. Access to the glacier is through Glacier Park, a private concessionaire. Darwin and I are walking in water. Frozen water. This is nutso. Look at this. This is so cool. And we happen to be the only people in our tour group. So we accidentally are our own tour group. Became a private one, which is awesome. I have just been filming because I am awestruck by the majestic mountains, and it is indescribably beautiful, the landscape out here. This is definitely a must-do when you're here. This is spectacular. I mean, this is hundreds and hundreds of years old. That glacier in front of us. Just trying to wrap my head around that. You wouldn't think that snow and glacier would be beautiful, but it is. If you just think of the history behind it, the forces behind it, Mother Nature at her best. Look at this, up close and personal to a glacier. And the funny part is that our crazy tour guide says that we are not supposed to be on this part of the location, I guess, or this entire space. Just a little bit on the off-limit side, but man, it is scary when you're walking through here because you could hear the like hollow parts. I'm still pretty stable, but nonetheless it sounds hollow underneath your feet. It is a trip. The shapes out here is so beautiful. It's Mother Nature's sculpture. actually pretty quiet. You could hear a pin drop. And I love, love, love the color of Real Glacier. It is just the prettiest baby blue. It's Mother Nature's baby blue. The weather out here also is so nice that really it's probably around 40, but feels almost 60-ish. Exaggeration, but you know, it feels warm despite being out and about on a glacier.
But it can really quickly, if it gets into certain spots, and it'll freeze like instantly.
Oh my gosh.
There's a cave there. It's like hollow.
That is some super, super clear water. Look at that. Pristine, pristine, pristine. I'm reminding everybody that we are walking on a frozen lake right now, which is about 200 feet deep. It's crazy to think about it, but it is fantastic.
Oh, I'm trying to, I thought you were going.
You are so funny. It's like, it's 200 feet deep?
Yeah.
We're okay.
No. Not okay.
I see the other tour group breathing down our neck. It's so peaceful to just walk this expanse. A great place to reflect, relax, a little bit of yoga, clear your mind kind of thing. This is such a unique experience. I definitely highly encourage each and every one of you that is watching to come out here to Alaska and make this trek. And you would want to see it before it gets affected by climate changes. I'm out here gushing about how beautiful and majestic things are out here. Darwin the entire time is like, are we gonna fall into a crevasse of some sort? Will the ground give way?
I'm waiting for a witness a slide.
I don't know. Darwin, thank you for coming out here with me for my birthday.
No problem.
Part of the experience on this hike or this walk are the sounds that the ice makes underneath your feet. The only thing missing on this scene is falling snow. But you know, I won't complain. And another thought I had when we were walking out there, it felt like a scene from Game of Thrones. You guys know what I'm talking about. The Wall. It's also too bad that I am not allowed to drone here. This would have been great sight and open landscape for droning. But again, can't complain. If that side felt like being in a Game of Thrones location, this side feels like we're walking on planet Mars. Such a stark contrast. And that concludes our glacier hike. We're back where we started. This was a moderate, I want to say, hike. The challenge is really the terrain, meaning the ground underneath you. Like this whole path right here, it was okay during the morning, but now it's so sludgy that every step becomes heavy because you get stuck on it. And then out on the actual glacier, you know, some are slippery, some are jagged, a little shallow. That's what makes it difficult, but otherwise, do it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.